Finding ways to make money with kids ripping and running, screaming and crying, all in the background, all throughout your house, seems like it's pretty much impossible. But I'm here to tell you that it isn't. Mind you, I don't have a terrible two yet, and I only have one child. But I kept all the obstacles of having multiple children, older children, younger children in mind before I made this video. So here are 5 different jobs you can do as a stay-at-home mom that can help you generate over $2,000 a month for your family. But before I spill the beans and give you all of this tea, I need you guys to go ahead and hit that subscribe link below. Let's get to it. All right, number 1 is home-based call center. I'm just playing. Imagine trying to take a call with all of this in the back. Thanks for calling me. Skillet, you need to be quiet back there. Go and make your sister a sandwich. Oh, more than happy to help. Not happening, right? All right, so the real number 1 is to start your own home daycare. Why don't you just become one with all the kids running around and the noise that they're making and add to it? I know it sounds insane, but when you hear the money calling, it's more than worth it. Each state's laws vary, so make sure that you research your state-specific requirements before you start your in-home daycare. Another thing that you can add to your daycare is an after-school program and even pick up and drop off services for children at your local schools. Number 2 is a blogger or a vlogger. As moms, we have tons to talk about, and moms love hearing from other moms. We love to share mom knowledge and hear and get and receive mom knowledge as well. So you can create your own blog or vlog, whichever one you feel more comfortable with, writing or being in front of the camera. Now, creating a blog or a vlog, it's going to take a little time to pick up traction and start generating the revenue that you want. But once you do it, the money comes rolling in, coins dropping, and you'll be happy. But you have to stay focused and you have to stay consistent because people are going to want you to produce consistent content all the time. In order to get your blog or vlog started, you're going to need a platform. So a good hosting platform for a blog is Bluehost and WordPress. The combination of the two will make you unstoppable. And if you're a vlogger, the great place for you to start is on, you guessed it, YouTube. I'll put a link below for Bluehost in case you want to get your blog started. You can click that link below and get our Hustle from Home discount. Number 3. Much like starting your own home daycare, you can become a dog sitter or a dog walker or a pet sitter. What is a better way to get your kids tired, worn out, and ready for a good night's sleep, or hell, even ready for a decent long 2-hour nap that we all love and enjoy? Oh my God, I love 2-hour naps. Like when Zaylee takes a 2-hour nap, I just want to get up and I don't even know, just. Okay, back to the subject though. There's no better way to get your kitty tired out by taking them out on a walk, bringing them to the park. Now you can kill 2 birds with 1 stone by becoming a pet sitter or dog walker. You can walk dogs in your local area by using many different apps that allow you to see who needs a dog walker or a pet sitter in your area, and you get paid via the app. Now, I do suggest you combine the two, pet sitting and dog walking, in order to reach that $2,000 a month goal. But once you get consistent clients, this can become very lucrative for you. And it can help you with getting your kids to go to sleep. I'll go ahead and put a link for some of the companies that are hiring for dog walkers and pet sitters below. Number 4, freelancing. Now, do you have a skill like writing, graphic design, web design? Maybe you're just super organized. Any of these skills can help you start a lucrative career as a freelancer. And when I tell you freelancers, if you do it right, you can make way over $2,000 a month, then believe me, it's true. This is the route that I took. I personally started myself off with my first business as a virtual assistant. a freelance virtual assistant. I basically helped small business owners organize their social media posts. I helped them organize blog posts. I even wrote blog posts for these companies. I also helped them find different ways to generate revenue throughout their company as well. When Zaylee was sleeping, that's when I would work. So the way it works is, as a virtual assistant, as long as you get the work done by the client's deadline, and I often suggest that in the beginning you create a good vibe between you and the client, so maybe produce the work a little bit earlier than what they've asked for, then you're in a good zone. Now, you can do this whenever your child is asleep, or whenever daddy comes home, or grandma comes over to watch the baby, or your friends come over and give you a little break. You don't have to take on hundreds of clients in order to reach that $2,000 a month goal. As long as you price yourself properly and make sure that you're not being underpriced just because you are a new virtual assistant or a new freelancer. Oftentimes you get underpriced or underpaid because there's so many people that may do what you do, but they don't do it at the quality that you do it. So becoming a freelancer, at first it may be a little annoying because people are going to try to charge you $150 for, let's say, 40 hours a week of work. No, you just don't stand for that. Make sure that you create packages for whatever your skill is and enforce those and show the value behind what you're able to bring to the table. Now, if becoming a virtual assistant is something that you're interested in, you can go ahead and click the link below and get a copy of how to become a virtual assistant and get your first client in 30 days. The last and final one, number 5, is to become a web search evaluator. You're probably like, what
in the alien talk is that?
No worries, I'll explain it. So this is actually something that I recommend to many of the moms and students that are a part of the Hustle from Home job database. Now, this is something that allows you to make your own schedule. You can work as much or as little as you like, and you're able to generate a good amount of income. And as long as you understand how to use a computer or use your smartphone, then you're in the door. Honestly, I think they pretty much hire anybody, but I don't know. But everyone that I've recommended has gotten hired. So, what is a web search evaluator? So whenever you're researching or trying to find something on Google, there's plenty of complicated computer algorithms that help produce what you receive back on the other end after you've pressed enter. But we all know that it's humans that are searching for that result. So companies like Appen Global and Lionbridge need humans to make sure that the results that are populating from these searches are something that a human would want to see. Oftentimes things get a little confusing in the computer world. The algorithms may get messed up. You may be searching for a fishing rod and end up getting a walking stick. I don't know, I'm just making it up off the top of my head. But you know, the job that you would do is make sure that when you're searching for that fishing rod pops up. You can also become a social media evaluator and do the same thing for social media sites like Facebook, Instagram, and things like that. And for some of the opportunities that they give you, you can literally do them from your phone. So you can cuddle up with your little one, lay to the side, look at your screen, and click, evaluate. It's a win-win. I'll put the links for some of the companies that are searching for social media evaluators down below. I honestly think that everybody should just have this in their arsenal to make extra money, have a side income. You honestly can make anywhere from $500 to $2,000 every month just by doing this. So why not? In conclusion, I personally know how hard it is to feel the need to provide financially for your family and still be there for them physically and emotionally. And the goal of my channel is just to make sure that you are able to do that. So I hope one of these 5 ideas is something that sparks interest in you, is something that you're able to do. And if it is, leave a comment below. I'd love to hear more. Also, if you have any other ideas for jobs that stay-at-home moms can do, put that in the comment box below. I love to hear from you guys and see what you guys have to say. Well, that's it for this time. Thank you guys so much for tuning in and being a part of the Hustle from Home family. See you guys next time.